Chapter 7. Sources of Energy. Introduction. Nature is a storehouse of many things which are useful. These are called resources. We use these resources to fulfill your needs such as food, shelter, clothes and travel. We use various natural resources to make the life easy and comfortable. Energy. Energy is the capacity to do work. We need to have lots of milk, cereals, vegetables, fruits to grow strong and healthy and gain energy to perform various activities. Energy is everywhere in nature. Sunlight, wind, water, plants and animals are all sources of energy. We use energy in our daily life. Sources of energy. Sources of energy can be classified into following two categories. Renewable sources of energy. Renewable sources of energy are the sources that are available in abundance. The sun, wind, flowing water are renewable sources of energy. We can use them over and over, still they will not exhaust. It is because that these sources of energy are available in abundance. Trees are a renewable source. In many parts of the world, forests are being cut much faster than they grow, and this is therefore not considered renewable. Non-renewable sources of energy. Non-renewable sources of energy are present in a limited amount on the earth. Coal, petroleum oil, etc. are the sources of energy that are present in limited amount on the earth. The sources that can get exhausted by our excessive use are called non-renewable sources of energy. One day their reservoir will be exhausted. So, by using too much of these sources, one day there will be a shortage of petroleum, coal, etc. We must use our natural energy reserves carefully. We must make alternate sources of energy that are renewable like solar energy, wind energy and hydropower energy. Forms of energy. Energy exists in many different forms. Examples of these are mechanical energy, heat energy, light energy, gravitational energy, electrical energy, sound energy, chemical energy, nuclear or atomic energy, and so on. Each form can be converted or changed into other forms. Mechanical energy. Energy that an object has because of its position, potential energy, or its movement, kinetic energy, is called mechanical energy. The water stored behind a dam. Chemical energy. Energy present in food material is a form of chemical energy. A dry cell used to produce electricity in a torch also contains chemical energy. Lighting a matchstick and cooking involve chemical energy as well as heat energy. Electrical energy. We use many devices at home like television, toaster, refrigerator, etc. that run on electricity. Electric energy is used for various purposes in factories, houses, and many other places. This energy can be converted into heat energy and light energy. Electric current is the electric energy which is used by machines and motors. Light energy. It is another important source of energy. Light is nature's way of transferring energy through space. Some sources of light energy are the sun, bulbs, tube light, and a burning candle. Plants use light energy of the sun to prepare food. When light falls on the film of a camera, it produces a chemical change on it. This forms a picture on the film. Heat energy. The heat produced by burning of petrol in a car engine provides the energy needed to run the car. A gas burner and heater give off energy in the form of heat. We use heat energy to keep ourselves warm and cook the food. Sound energy. Sound is vibration transmitted through a solid, liquid, or gas. Sound is produced when a force causes an object to vibrate. Some sources of sound energy are music systems, musical instruments, and radios. The stretched strings of a veena, guitar, or violin produces melodious sounds when they are struck. Wind energy. It is the energy of moving air. This energy is used by windmills to generate electricity or draw water from underground. Solar energy. Almost all energy comes from the sun. The sun warms the planet and makes plants grow. Plants can use sun's energy to make energy stores. These plants are eaten by animals and human beings. Waste products finally goes to plants where they start the cycle again using the energy from the sun. Solar energy is used to heat water in solar water heaters that can be stored in big tanks. Geothermal energy. The word geothermal comes from the Greek word geo, earth, and therm, heat. So, this energy is the heat from within the earth. We cause the steam and hot water produced inside the earth to heat buildings or generate electricity. Geothermal energy is a renewable source of energy because the water is replenished by rainfall and the heat is continuously produced inside the earth. Hydroelectric energy. By using the energy from falling water, hydroelectricity can be produced. The water comes from big dams across rivers and flows down moving a turbine which is used to drive electric generators.